In this video, we are going to do exploring algebraic identities along with exercise 4.1 of the maths book Ganita Manjari book. Let us see the proof of identity. So in that chapter, we are given one identity, a square. Let me a plus b square. A plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we can prove this just by algebra by doing a plus b times a plus b. So let us do that real quickly. A times a square plus a times b, then b times a plus ba plus then b square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we can see that both are equal. But now we are going to see it visually. So let me just show my figure. So using this figure, we can tell that we can prove this identity. So what are we asked? A plus b whole square. Similarly, this is a. This side is a, length a, and this side is length b. This side is length a, this side is length b. This is b, this is a. This length is a and this length is b. Nothing very special. A times a square. We are going to add up the areas. Then this is AB. Let me use a better color for it. So this is going to be AB, and this is also going to be AB, and this is going to be B square. So now using this, we can solve a square plus AB plus AB plus B square. So let us add these. A square plus AB plus AB plus b square, and when we add these, we again get the same formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a square since each length is a plus b. This length is also a plus b. So we have just found the area. So now we have proved this identity geometrically. So now we are going to do exercise 4.1. Using the identity a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, expand the following. So we can do this very easily. 7x plus 4y. So a square, which means 7x square plus 2 times 7x times 4y plus 4y square is equal to 49x square. When we put square should go here and here. It goes to both. So 49x square plus 7 times 4, 28. 28 times 2, we can solve it right over here, and that would be 56. So 56xy plus 16y square, and with that we got our first one. Now looking at the second, so 7 by 5 x square plus 2 times 7 by 5 x times 3 by 2 times y plus 3 by 2 y whole squared, which is equal to, when we put square, it will go here, here, and here. So 49 by 25 x squared plus, we can simplify this by cancelling these two out. So then we get 21 by 5 xy, and this and this, these all will get the square. So this will become 9 by 4y square, and with that we also solved the second one. Now let's look at the third one. So this is going to be 2.5p squared plus 2 times 2.5 times 2.5p times 1.5q is equal to, and we forgot one thing, plus 1.5 q squared. 1.5 q squared. So this is going to be equal to 6.25 p squared, same rule, it will go here and here, plus 2 times 2.5, that's 5, 5 times 1.5, that's 7.5 pq, plus 2.25 q squared. So we get our final answer to this question to be, so the final answer is going to be 6.25 p square plus 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square, and this is the answer of the third, this is the answer of the first, and this is the answer of the first. So now let's look at the second question. So this is question number 201, right? So this is question number 2. Using the same identity, find the values of the following. So how can we solve these? Using the identity that we used before, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as 60 plus 4 whole square. We can write this as 200 plus 5 whole square. We can write this as 200 plus 5 whole square. So now we can simplify this. 60 squared plus 60 times 4 times, and we missed one thing, 2 plus 4 squared is equal to, we can simplify. So the square of 60 is going to be 3600 plus 60 times 4, that's 240, 240 times 2, 480 plus 16, and when we solve this we get to be 4096, and we can add this if you want to, and then now we can solve this. 100 plus 5, so this is going to be 100 square plus 2 times 100 times 5 plus 5 square, using this formula again, and when we solve this we get, now it is 2 zeros, now we will have 4, 1 2 3 4 plus this is 10 times 100, so this is 1000 plus 5, which is equal to 1 this is 5 square, so 25, 11025, and then we can solve this also. 200 square plus 2 times 200 times 5, and 5 square is equal to 4, and then 4 zeros, 2 3 4 plus, then we get 3 zeros plus 25, this gives the answer 42025, 42,025, and with that we are done. This was very easy, not very hard, and we have done this in previous classes. So thank you.